Hello, listeners. My name is Victor Eke, your presenter. I'm going to talk to you about mosquito, malaria, and mosquito nets. Mosquitoes are responsible for transmitting malaria, a deadly disease among us. Thousands of people in Nigeria continue to die from malaria, especially pregnant women and children under 5 years of age. My intention of speaking to you this afternoon is to assure you that we can do away with malaria by not allowing mosquito to bite you and your family members. Sleeping under an insecticide-treated net every night is the best way to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. This is very important, especially for pregnant women and children under 5 years of age. Nets are one of the best and most effective way to prevent malaria, and it's so easy for you to make a difference in your family to help combat this deadly disease. Without treatment, malaria flu-like symptoms, fever, chills, vomiting, and headache can lead to convulsion, organ failure, and death. Please have your child under a net to sleep. Cover yourselves with the nets and everyone in your home. The insecticide-treated net I am talking about is completely safe for both the mother and the unborn baby. The real danger is malaria. Sleeping under a net gives you a peaceful night, free from all other crawling and annoying insects and any possible particle that may fall from the roof. The net is free and can be gotten from every clinic and health centers in Nigeria. Please visit your community health center today to collect this treated net to protect your family from mosquito causing malaria. My country people, I thank you for listening to me and hope you will go collect the mosquito nets today to protect your family and help end malaria in our country. For any question or inquiries, please call 08105607278 or email me brighthealth23@gmail.com.